Hello and welcome back to the Demmer Ford YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you one simple trick you can use to reboot your Ford Sync 3 system. You can use this trick to reboot your Sync 3 screen if it ever gets frozen or if your navigation isn't displaying correctly. To perform the reboot, all you need to do is hold down the power button and the forward skip and wait for the screen to turn off. Give it a few moments and the screen will turn back on and your Sync 3 system will be rebooted. The location of the power button and the forward skip will change across the different Ford lines, but you can still hold down both buttons to get the same effect. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if this trick helped you fix your Ford Sync 3 whenever the screen froze up or you ran into any other issues. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tech help videos.